Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with the publisher cannot be verified. Are you sure you want to run the software? Error that you are receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically it just means that your computer is unable to verify the origin or validity of a file you're attempting to open. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up the search menu, type in GP Edit, best match, go back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. So now that we're in the group policy window here, let me just make this window a little bit wider. We're going to first start off by going underneath user configuration and double click on the corresponding administrative templates folder. Do the same thing for the Windows components folder, so double click on that. There should be a folder that says attachment manager. Go ahead and open that up. And now locate a value that says inclusion list for moderate risk file types and double click on it. Now that we're in here, you want to go ahead and select the enabled button. And then where it says specify moderate risk extensions, type in .exe and then select apply and OK. And then hopefully that should resolve the problem. You're welcome to change it back to not configured or disabled at a later time. But that should be about it for today's tutorial. And you will need to restart your computer in order for this change to take effect. So go ahead and restart your computer at this time. And there you go. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.